Nature is filled with beauty and wonder, but it also harbors some of the most dangerous organisms, including plants. While many plants are harmless or even beneficial, there are several that pose serious risks to human health. From toxic compounds to irritating hairs, these plants can cause anything from mild discomfort to severe illness or even death. Here are 5 of the most dangerous plants you should never touch. Poison ivy. Poison ivy is notorious for causing an itchy, blistering rash in those who come into contact with it. This plant contains a substance called urushiol, which can trigger an allergic reaction in most people. Even a small amount of urushiol can lead to significant skin irritation, and the oil can linger on clothing, tools, and pets, spreading the rash to unsuspecting victims. Avoiding contact with poison ivy by learning to identify its distinctive 3-leaf clusters can help prevent an uncomfortable encounter. Giant hogweed. Giant hogweed may look impressive with its towering height and large, umbrella-shaped flower clusters, but it hides a dangerous secret. This invasive plant contains a sap that can cause severe burns and blistering when it comes into contact with the skin, a condition known as phytophotodermatitis. What's more alarming is that the reaction is exacerbated by exposure to sunlight, leading to potentially disfiguring injuries. Manchineel. Found in tropical regions like the Caribbean and Florida, the manchineel tree holds the title of the world's most dangerous tree. Every part of this tree, from its leaves to its sap and fruit, contains highly toxic compounds, including phorbol and phorbol esters. Merely standing under the tree during a rainstorm can cause blistering of the skin from the toxic rainwater dripping off its leaves. Ingesting any part of the manchineel tree can be lethal, making it a plant best admired from a safe distance. Rosary pea. While its vibrant red seeds may seem innocuous, the rosary pea harbors a deadly secret. These seeds contain a potent toxin called arboreal, which is similar to ricin but even more toxic. Just a single seed chewed or ingested can be lethal to humans. What's more concerning is that the seeds are often used in jewelry and decorative items, posing a risk of accidental ingestion. White snake root. White snake root may appear harmless with its clusters of small white flowers, but it hides a deadly toxin known as trametol. Grazing animals, such as cattle, that consume this plant can develop a condition called trametol poisoning or milk sickness, which can be fatal if not treated promptly. Historically, this plant was responsible for numerous deaths in early American settlements when settlers drank milk from cows that had ingested white snake root. To prevent accidental poisoning, it's essential to keep livestock away from areas where this plant grows.